Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to solve Leetcode daily challenge, problem number 704, binary search. So the title of this problem is self-explanatory. Like we have to just implement the binary search in which if we find the target we are looking for, then we are going to return the index of it. Otherwise, -1. Okay. So as you all know, we'll be using two pointers, left pointer and a right pointer. So initially, left pointer will point to the 0th index, and the right pointer will point to the last index. And at each step, we will find out a middle element using these two pointers, right? And we will check if our middle pointer was greater than the target, then you're gonna shift your right pointer to middle -1. Otherwise, if your middle element is less than the target, then you're going to shift your left pointer to mid+1. And if the element at the mid pointer is equals to the target, then we are going to return the target of it, the index or the mid element, mid index is index itself. Sorry. So let's move toward the solution. Okay, so we'll start with the variables left and right. Okay, now we need to have a while loop till the time our left pointer is less than or equal to right. Okay. And to calculate the mid, we will sum left plus right and we'll take the base or floor division. We'll do the floor division with 2. Okay. Now check if your element at mid is greater than, or let's start with less than, is less than your target, then if it is less than target, then we will update our left pointer to mid+1. And if your nums, like the limited middle is greater than target, it's greater than target, then move your right pointer to mid-1. Else simply just return mid. And if none of this condition satisfies, we will return -1. This is it. This was the complete solution. Let's check out the test cases quickly. Yeah, so the test case is caught here. Let's further evaluation. Awesome. So the solution accepted. I would say we performed decent. We are in the average, distribution. So yeah, thanks again guys for watching out the video and stay tuned for the upcoming ones. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.